Hi guys, today I'm sharing this super cute towel bear DIY souvenir idea. So come along and let me show you how I made it. Okay guys, so here's what I'm using today. I have my face towels, or you might call it wash rags. I have some ribbon that I got at the dollar store, and I have some rubber bands. Now, those were an assorted pack of different colors and sizes. I started by laying my towel flat on the table, and then I'm rolling the sides inward until they meet at the middle. So next, I'm going to hold this at the center thereabout and twist and fold it over, and I'll adjust the two rolls outward to form the shape of the face and the body. Next, I'm going to hold the towel about 2/3 up, and then I'm going to wrap a rubber band around it twice to make the head. And don't worry guys if it takes a little adjusting. You can always adjust your rubber bands, or you can fluff your towel until you like how it looks. Next, I'm adding rubber bands to the top corners to make the little bear ears. Once the ears are done guys, it really starts looking like a tiny teddy bear. And guys, please don't forget to like this video by hitting the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so for more easy DIYs. Now I'm tying a ribbon around the neck to define the head and the body. You can also add a bow, flowers, or a small tag to personalize it even more. You can also use any color ribbon here that matches your theme or occasion. The ribbon really does add a sweet finishing touch guys, and it makes it look so polished and gift ready. Now let's repeat the steps guys and make another cute little bear. And here are the finished towel bear souvenir, guys, and I just really love how simple and adorable these are. You can fully customize yours by matching the color towels and ribbons to your theme and occasion. That's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.